AutoCAD Electrical is frequently cited as a user-friendly and effective software solution for creating electrical drawings. It is tailored specifically for electrical engineers and designers. This specialization allows it to offer features and tools that streamline the creation of accurate and professional electrical documentation. The software's versatility is one of its primary strengths. It can be deployed to generate a broad spectrum of electrical drawings encompassing schematics which visually represent the connections and functions within an electrical system, wiring diagrams which illustrate the physical layout and connections of wires and components are possible too. Panel layouts detailing the arrangement of electrical equipment within enclosures are also achievable. AutoCAD Electrical is designed with ease of use in mind. Its intuitive interface makes it accessible to both experienced professionals and newcomers to electrical design. The learning curve is relatively gentle, enabling users to quickly become proficient in creating and modifying electrical drawings. A major time-saving aspect of AutoCAD Electrical is its built-in library of electrical symbols and components. This comprehensive collection provides a ready source of standardized symbols for various electrical elements such as resistors, capacitors, transistors, switches, and motors. Having these symbols readily available eliminates the need to draw each component manually, significantly accelerating the drawing process and ensuring consistency across projects. In addition to its extensive symbol library, AutoCAD Electrical incorporates automation features that further enhance efficiency. Automatic wire numbering automatically assigns unique identifiers to each wire in a drawing, simplifying identification and troubleshooting. Cross-referencing automatically links related components and wires, allowing users to quickly trace connections and understand the flow of electricity within a system. This feature is invaluable for complex electrical designs where manually tracking connections would be time-consuming and prone to errors. AutoCAD Electrical's compatibility with other AutoCAD products enhances collaboration and data sharing. This seamless integration allows electrical engineers and designers to easily exchange drawings and information with colleagues working in other disciplines such as mechanical engineering or architecture. This interoperability streamlines the overall design process and minimizes the risk of errors or inconsistencies. The software's ability to handle various types of electrical drawings is crucial for projects of different scales and complexities. For residential projects, it can be used to design electrical services, including the main panel, branch circuits, and wiring for lighting outlets and appliances. For larger commercial or industrial buildings, it can handle more complex systems such as power distribution, motor control, and lighting control. AutoCAD Electrical also facilitates the creation of detailed panel layouts, which are essential for the efficient and safe installation of electrical equipment. These layouts show the physical arrangement of components within electrical panels, ensuring that there is adequate space for wiring and maintenance. Accurate panel layouts also help to prevent overheating and other potential hazards. The software also supports the creation of bills of materials, which list all the components required for a particular electrical design. This feature simplifies the procurement process and helps to ensure that all necessary parts are available before construction begins. Furthermore, AutoCAD Electrical's automated features significantly reduce the risk of human error. Automatic wire numbering, for example, ensures that each wire has a unique identifier, preventing confusion and simplifying troubleshooting. Cross-referencing helps to maintain consistency and accuracy throughout the design, reducing the likelihood of errors that could lead to costly rework. The software also includes built-in validation tools that can detect potential problems such as short circuits or overloaded circuits. These tools help to identify and correct errors before they can cause problems in the real world. From a practical standpoint, consider the design of a warehouse electrical system. AutoCAD Electrical can be used to create schematics illustrating the power distribution network, wiring diagrams showing the connections between lighting fixtures, outlets, and equipment, and panel layouts detailing the arrangement of circuit breakers and other components within electrical panels. The software's ability to handle large and complex drawings makes it well suited for this type of project. The software's user interface is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, even for users who are not familiar with AutoCAD. The menus and toolbars are logically organized, and the software provides helpful prompts and guidance throughout the design process. There are also numerous online resources available, including tutorials, documentation, and forums that can help users to learn the software and troubleshoot any problems that they may encounter. Electrical drawings created with AutoCAD Electrical can be easily shared with other stakeholders, such as architects, contractors, and building inspectors. The software supports various file formats, including DWG, DXF, and PDF, which ensures that drawings can be viewed and printed by anyone, regardless of the software that they are using. The software also includes features that allow users to add annotations and markups to drawings, which can be useful for communicating design changes or highlighting potential problems. In addition to its core features, AutoCAD Electrical also offers a number of add-ons and extensions that can further enhance its functionality. These add-ons can provide specialized tools for specific tasks, such as creating cable schedules or designing lighting systems. They can also integrate with other software applications, such as building information modeling, BIM platforms, to streamline the design process. AutoCAD Electrical's capabilities extend beyond basic drafting. It facilitates advanced design tasks such as voltage drop calculations, short-circuit analysis, and arc flash hazard assessments. These features help engineers to ensure that electrical systems are safe, reliable, and compliant with applicable codes and standards. Voltage drop calculations ensure that the voltage at the end of a circuit is within acceptable limits, preventing equipment malfunction and ensuring proper operation. Short-circuit analysis identifies potential fault currents, allowing engineers to select appropriate overcurrent protection devices to prevent equipment damage and electrical fires. Arc flash hazard assessments determine the potential hazards associated with arc flash events, enabling engineers to implement safety measures to protect workers. The software's features for managing large projects are also noteworthy. It allows users to organize drawings into projects, which simplifies the process of managing and tracking changes. It also includes features for creating reports, such as bills of materials and wire lists, which can be used to track project costs and progress. AutoCAD Electrical provides a comprehensive set of tools for creating and managing electrical drawings. Its user-friendly interface, comprehensive symbol library, automated features, and compatibility with other AutoCAD products make it a popular choice among electrical engineers and designers. While there are other electrical design software packages available, AutoCAD Electrical is often cited as a top contender due to its balance of features, ease of use, and industry recognition. Consider a scenario involving the design of an electrical system for a new hospital. AutoCAD Electrical could be used to create detailed schematics showing the power distribution network, wiring diagrams illustrating the connections between medical equipment, lighting, and outlets, and panelettes detailing the arrangement of circuit breakers, transformers, and other components within electrical rooms. The software's ability to handle complex drawings and its built-in validation tools would be invaluable for ensuring that the electrical system is safe, reliable, and compliant with applicable codes and standards. The software would also facilitate collaboration among the various stakeholders involved in the project, such as architects, mechanical engineers, and contractors. Electrical engineers use NEC Table 310.16 to determine conductor ampacity. The amperage of a conductor is critical to safety and performance. For example, a 12 American wire gauge copper conductor typically has an ampacity of 20 amps when used in a typical residential wiring scenario, assuming it's rated for 75 degrees Celsius. Exceeding this ampacity can lead to overheating and potentially a fire. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, Article 250 covers grounding and bonding requirements. Proper grounding and bonding are essential for preventing electrical shock and ensuring the safe operation of electrical equipment. For example, a grounding electrode conductor must be properly sized according to NEC Table 250.66, based on the size of the service entrance conductors. Incorrect grounding can create a dangerous situation where fault currents are not properly directed back to the source, increasing the risk of electrical shock. Overcurrent protection is another key aspect of electrical design. Circuit breakers and fuses are used to protect circuits from overloads and short circuits. NEC Article 240 provides requirements for overcurrent protection. For example, a 15-amp circuit breaker is typically used to protect a 14 American wire gauge wire, while a 20-amp circuit breaker is used to protect a 12 American wire gauge wire. Using an overcurrent protection device that is too large for the wire can lead to overheating and a fire. Electrical panels are the central distribution points for electricity in a building. NEC Article 408 provides requirements for panel boards. For example, a panel board must be properly sized to handle the expected load. The panel board must also be properly labeled to identify the circuits and their corresponding loads. Improperly sized or labeled panel boards can create confusion and increase the risk of electrical hazards. Wiring methods are another important consideration in electrical design. The NEC specifies different wiring methods for different applications. For example, non-metallic sheath cable, or NM cable, is commonly used for residential wiring, while electrical metallic tubing, or IMT, is commonly used for commercial and industrial wiring. The choice of wiring method depends on factors such as the environment, the type of building, and the voltage and current levels. Using the wrong wiring method can lead to damage to the wiring and increase the risk of electrical hazards. The design of lighting systems also requires careful consideration. The NEC provides requirements for lighting in different types of occupancies. For example, emergency lighting is required in many commercial buildings to provide illumination during a power outage. Lighting controls, such as occupancy sensors and dimmers, can be used to reduce energy consumption and improve the comfort of occupants. Proper lighting design can improve safety, productivity, and aesthetics. The design of motor control systems is another specialized area of electrical design. Motor control systems are used to start, stop, and control electric motors. The NEC provides requirements for motor circuits and motor control equipment. Motor control systems must be designed to protect motors from overloads, short circuits, and other hazards. Proper motor control design is essential for ensuring the reliable and efficient operation of motors. Electrical safety is paramount in all aspects of electrical design. The NEC provides comprehensive requirements for electrical safety. Electrical designers must be knowledgeable about these requirements and must ensure that their designs comply with all applicable codes and standards. Failure to comply with electrical safety requirements can lead to serious injuries or even death. Electrical design is a complex and challenging field. Electrical designers must have a strong understanding of electrical theory, codes and standards, and design practices. They must also be able to use a variety of software tools to create accurate and professional-looking drawings. With the right knowledge and skills, electrical designers can create safe, reliable, and efficient electrical systems. Consider an example where a 480 volts, three-phase motor needs to be installed in a factory. The electrical designer would need to calculate the full load current of the motor, select the appropriate overcurrent protection devices, size the conductors, and design the motor control circuit. They would also need to ensure that the installation complies with all applicable NEC requirements. The NEC requires specific clearances around electrical equipment for safety. For example, NEC Section 110.26 specifies working space requirements around electrical equipment operating at 600 volts or less. The depth of the working space depends on the voltage and the presence of exposed live parts. Maintaining proper clearances is essential for allowing electricians to safely work on electrical equipment. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are required in certain locations to protect people from electrical shock. NEC Section 210.8 specifies the locations where GFCIs are required, such as bathrooms, kitchens, and outdoor areas. GFCIs detect ground faults and quickly interrupt the circuit, preventing electrical shock. Surge protection devices, or SPDs, are used to protect electrical equipment from voltage surges caused by lightning or other events. NEC Section 230.67 requires SPD to be installed in certain locations, such as dwelling units. SPD divert surge currents away from sensitive equipment, preventing damage. Arc fault circuit interrupters, or FSIs, are required in certain locations to protect against electrical fires. NEC Section 210.12 specifies the locations where FSIs are required, such as bedrooms. FSIs detect arc faults, which are a common cause of electrical fires, and quickly interrupt the circuit. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of underground wiring. NEC Section 300.5 specifies the minimum burial depths for different types of underground wiring. The burial depth depends on factors such as the voltage, the type of wiring, and the location. Proper installation of underground wiring is essential for preventing damage to the wiring and ensuring its long-term reliability. The NEC provides requirements for the installation of wiring in hazardous locations. Hazardous locations are areas where there is a risk of fire or explosion due to the presence of flammable gases, vapors, or dusts. NEC Articles 500 through 516 provide requirements for wiring in different types of hazardous locations. Special equipment and wiring methods are required to prevent ignition of flammable materials. Electrical systems must be properly maintained to ensure their continued safety and reliability. Regular inspections, testing, and maintenance are essential for identifying and correcting potential problems. The NEC provides guidance on electrical maintenance. Proper maintenance can prevent electrical failures and extend the life of electrical equipment. When working on electrical systems, it is important to follow lockout/tagout procedures to prevent accidental energization of equipment. Lockout/tagout procedures involve disconnecting the power supply and placing a lock and tag on the disconnecting means to prevent it from being accidentally turned on. Lockout/tagout procedures are essential for protecting workers from electrical hazards. Before working on any electrical equipment, it is important to verify that the equipment is energized using a voltage tester. A voltage tester can be used to check for the presence of voltage on conductors and equipment. Verifying that equipment is energized before working on it is essential for preventing electrical shock. When working on electrical systems, it is important to use appropriate personal protective equipment, or PPE. PPE can include items such as insulated gloves, safety glasses, and arc-rated clothing. PPE provides protection from electrical hazards such as shock, arc flash, and burns. Electrical design is a continuous learning process. Electrical codes and standards are constantly evolving, and new technologies are constantly being developed. Electrical designers must stay up to date on the latest developments in the field to ensure that their designs are safe, reliable, and efficient. Several software packages are available for performing electrical calculations such as voltage drop, short circuit, and load flow analysis. These software packages can help electrical designers to accurately analyze electrical systems and ensure that they are properly designed. BIM software can be used to create 3D models of electrical systems. These models can be used to visualize the system, identify potential conflicts, and coordinate with other trades. BIM software can improve the efficiency and accuracy of the electrical design process. Cloud-based collaboration tools can be used to share electrical drawings and information with other stakeholders. These tools can improve communication and collaboration and reduce the risk of errors. Overall, AutoCAD Electrical offers a comprehensive suite of tools and features that make it well suited for creating electrical drawings for a wide range of applications. Its user-friendly interface, extensive symbol library, and automation capabilities can significantly improve the efficiency and accuracy of the electrical design process.